What is up, everybody? It's Mount for the Cap. Again, part 3 tutorial. Let's do it. Alright, we ended off last video with this. Which it was this. Smooth Twister once again, and the CC lens. This time we're taking off the CC lens and we are going to do some other overlays and other things that you can get in like packs, like editing packs or graphics packs or something like that, or you can download off the internet. Just some quick stuff, especially like that explosion sound. Let me see if I can get a... Alright. Look right here. Yeah, that sound right of the shot. Right there. Yeah, right there. That sound. I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna put it in the description, a link on how to get it, and I'm also gonna do the flame thing, the flame like bursts. Let's see. I think I got an instance of that. Right. Alright, so basically you get the two effects and you see how they're used, so let's go into putting them in and how we're gonna do that. So yeah, let's make sure this is disabled resampled good. Okay, let's start out with the sound because that's pretty simple. I tend to drag the sound of the game below it because it's like a quicker, more important sound. I can't explain it. Shit. Alright. Let's see where we're shooting. Okay. We start our shot right here. Alright. So we have put this. Start it right there. And so you can already hear like that, but you want to turn the volume on this one up a lot higher. Probably between, what I heard online was between 8 and 9, but I'm going to try 9.9. Yeah, like that. You can see right there, like, what I mean. And another thing, you can make it that. And you can also, what you could also do is you can make it sound a little bit muffled. So you can bring it down here. Okay, shit. I didn't completely tell you how to fucking do that. Okay, so basically you just you're here with the clip and like that. Okay, so you go to the track and you go to the track effects and you go, it's probably going to be here at track noise gate. You go to track EQ and you're going to want to take 4 because 4 is the one that kind of muffles it, and you're going to want to play around with it too so you can see it's a lot easier. Hey, Wacko. Yeah, I'm here. Hold on one second. I'm doing a tutorial. As you can see, it's sort of muffled and LOL kicked. But yeah, you can see. Yeah, I know. It's fucking mentally challenged. Okay, so. And sorry. And then yeah, you basically got the sound down. Um, and now we're gonna go ahead and do the fire ring right here. You can see. Okay, it makes an audio file. Just delete the track. You can see like how it blows up like that. And there's also a white one, but I don't understand why you would want the white one. So just go to. Okay, actually, first we're gonna pan crop this. So go to the beginning and click select pan crop, event pan crop, and you're gonna want to put this thing over here, because I don't know why there's a logo for whoever made this. So you're gonna want to set that over here, drag it on over, and maintain your aspect ratio no. And it sort of centers everything, as you can see. And go ahead and disable resample that. And you're going to want to create the track to an ad. So you can see, like right here, it blows up like it, yeah, and there's the white one, whatever. Alright, I usually cut it right there when all that ends on the side. So just cut that out. So basically, so you got your, whoops, didn't mean to do that. And you can also easily change the hue of it and make it a different color. Say you want blue or whatever. Just go to HSL adjust and bring it. I like to take it to max saturation because it makes it a deeper color, and you can see like there, and you can add the hue and you can make it lime green if you want. See, so just look right here. But we are going for blue today, I guess, because that's what I thought of, and we're gonna do that. All right, this is about a blue right here. It's gonna look a little more purplish because of the, you know, and you can see that. Just put a little bit more blue into it, and maybe take the saturation down a little bit, and put a little bit more blue into it, and just see how it looks. And you know, and you're gonna kind of want to put a little bit of fade on it, because it does kind of like drop off at the end. You can tell, because you can see it light, and then it's kind of like lower, or like lighting again from that transition. So let's see what time we are. 8 minutes. So yeah, that's basically what we're looking at here. Let's get tonight. All right. Yeah, and one more thing I just wanted to do is just add a little bit of color correction, because this is the last part of the tutorial, and I can add a little bit of color correction, which I don't use color corrector. Excuse me, hiccups. I just use kind of other things to help color correct it. I think this is the preset. Nope, that's not the one. That's the cinematics one. All right. This is called Vibrant. And I put, depending on the map, I check out these two right here, and I see all the possibilities of how it could look. And you pull the contrast down a little bit, or you could keep it up and add some tint, and that makes it blue, You can go all over the place, green, you know, yellow, red, tint. You can lower it, up the contrast, and the color curves, you can make it RGB. And right there, you can put the soft contrast in front, and you can add a little bit more tint and a little bit more contrast and less stretch range. And your vignette, you could put a little bit of blur on the edges, just to, you know, get that effect in there, and you know, just get it right like that. But you know, like that. And I think I actually do like red a little better, so you could just take off AHSL adjust. There's your clip, there's the edit. It's a simple clip edit, song, the sound effects, and the overlay. So this is all simple stuff you can find on the internet, but I will be putting it in a pack for you. So yeah, just accept it. Stop being a fucking asshole, faggot. Bye.